Don't forget to do your skincare, drink your water, mind your business. Okay.
But let's just wait till the morning. I don't wanna fight. You got my vibe. Don't let me get you right. I apologize. Don't you wait.
But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cadeen. Guys, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button. If not, hey boo. Anyway, so guys, today is Tuesday. I'm gonna tell them to say, yo, I'm gonna tell them the weather. I'm gonna tell them the weather. Even though I did a crave summer. Right now, it's 98 degrees, right? But it feels like 101 degree. It is hot as fuck. I can't even lie. I love summer to the T, but it is hot as fuck. But right now, I'm going to go to the grocery store. Just quick pickup. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up just some meat. I'm gonna pick up meat and some flowers. And that's about it. I don't think we need anything else. Cause I honestly just want to go in and turn on the AC. They don't have much option. Sorry. Okay, so guys, I got the flowers for the house because why the fuck not? Like, ugh, I'm so happy that I'm going home right now. Because I don't understand. I'm so freaking happy. No, so first things first, everything is from TikTok shop that I got. My Amazon package did not deliver. Guys, why did I order 3 Dossier perfumes? Dossier have me in a chokehold, but TikTok shop first, so let's get into it. Okay, I already know what the things are, but I'm gonna know in our package, so period. Why the package is so dirty? Like, this is why I'm gonna understand how people, like, I've watched videos and people get package. Oh, this is for school. Oh wow, this came pretty quick. This is for school. This is uniform. We're not gonna that's all. Like, what was I saying? Oh my god, I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I don't understand why people put packages that they pick up outside on their beds. Like, you ever watch a TikTok video and a person get a package and she just put the package up on them bed? Like, that is so nasty. Like, if you guys see how dirty these friggin' packages are, oh my god. It says God's favorite. Just something for just. I'm trying to get into my fashion era and like this had tea. So yeah. No, guys, I think I might just find my birthday dress. I'm going to have to try this on. I won't try this on right at this very moment. Why does this look so big? Okay. I got this dress on TikTok. It's super flowy, so cute. It looks like it's going to fit though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try it on. Not right now because I have so much stuff to do. So I'm thinking this is not thinking, it did say it was delivered. So this is a perfume that I ordered from the TikTok shop that everybody and their mother's talking about it. And I was like, I'm just going to get it and get it over with because why are you guys talking about it so much? And since I am a shopaholic, not very proud of that, and a perfume fanatic, I was like, if I don't like it, I'm going to just send it back. Simple. If I don't like it, I'm sending it the fuck back. Okay, this is the perfume. It's super cute. This is the box. This is a Latafa. I didn't even realize it was a Latafa. God, please let me like this. Please. It's supposed to be a warm perfume. Honestly, if I don't like it, I'm sending it the fuck back. Hmm. It's a warm perfume. It smells good. It's like a hint of vanilla and spice, not spice, like vanilla and something sweet. Let me look up the notes for this perfume. Chat GPT, where you at, boo? Holla back if you hear me. And I, oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I also got this perfume. I got this, yes, 2 days ago from Amazon. This actually smells like 450. Baccarat Roux 450. Just not as strong, I would say. But it smells just like it to me. Like, honestly, to me, it smells like it. But let's look up the notes for this one. Got this one from the TikTok shop. I'll leave the link below. It's also linked on Amazon. So you can really just get it on Amazon. Amazon much faster. I'm actually, I don't know. Amazon would be much faster with getting it. Okay, so the notes of this fragrance note, Kismet Angel. I guess it's called Kismet Angel by, it's a dupe for Killian Angels. Oh, let's see Killian Angels. Oh, it's supposed to be a dupe for this perfume here. Don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's supposed to be a dupe for that. I didn't even know. It smells good. But if this is what that smells like, I'm not that impressed. So the top notes are cognac. Ooh, cinnamon, tonka bean. Middle note is oak, praline, and vanilla. Base note is sandalwood, amber, and benzoin. It's warm, boozy, sweet, and gourmand. It smells expensive. You know, it's not very, very strong, like strong, but it smells good. Okay, so guys, I caved and tried on the dress. It fits like a motherfucking glove. I actually super, super like it. It's very weird. I really like the top. I really like the top. Like, what? Yeah.
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth, then wind your waist to the big man sound. And I get too stiff cause the thing's too round. Good God, make me lift up your gown, but your face so sweet, wanna spin you around. If I go link gang, I'll bring you around. If I go to the bar, I'll bring you around. Which one? Which one? You're not like the things you're around. You're a real good girl, so I'm ringing you down. But come to the bed, I'll fling you around. What? These guys can't make songs for the gal, them. Trust me, this how the single shit sound. Fuck anyone that's bringing you down. Sweetheart, you're doing your thing right now. Good God. Yeah, all the girls that's here for the shoot, come put two hands on a DJ boot, then wind your waist on a real good youth, then you want censure your ex, which one? You want friends of success, which one? Tell the sound man spin this one, play this for the gal, them party done.
God forbid a girl's tryna have fun. I got X if you wanna take drugs. You wanna have sex or do you wanna make love? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Got a fairy ting and I got a which one? A G'd up ting that I bring sticks round and I got a good girl, snitch one. Too many gal now I gotta switch one. Turn the hotel to a 20v1. 360 my head got spun. Junk in the trunk, can't see it from front. Got your body is tea, it's pain, I'm sprung. Your backside weighing you down 1 ton. I got a chopstick for your 1 ton. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Put coin in a slot, you just hit jackpot.
Yeah, all the girls that's here for the truth, come put two hands on a DJ boot, then wind your waist for the 6-side you, then hey, you want censure your ex, which one? You want friends of success, which one? Tell the sound man spin this one, play this for the goddamn party done.
All right. Let's go to Home Goods. Only thing we need is like 4 candles. and some tea. 4 candles and some tea.
Not sticking to the script.
I am sticking to the script. Okay, so just 4 candles, no tea. Okay. 4 candles. It smells so good in here. Or just go into the candle section. Why not? I think we might find tea somewhere around here.
And ginger.
I'm gonna get that one too. Lemon, ginger, sleep blend. No? Peach? No. Ooh, passion fruit tea. Why is everything green tea? Like, why green tea have to be in everything? Like, can they make it without green tea? What is moringa? You want that?
Yeah, it's better than
This is a very good brand. I don't know.
It's not
why.
about the brand, it's about
The blend, babe. I know. But I'm saying the brand is also very good. Let's get these. They're all $4. I don't know. It's this. I try to get this brand off Amazon. You want to know how much it is on freaking Amazon? I was like, yeah, hell no. It's so expensive on there. You can't put it in that.
Yes, you can. We're not walking out the door with it.
Okay. That's it for the tea. Strawberry lemonade? Strawberry lemon? That sounds fancy. Look at this tiny pot, babe. I was just saying we need wine glasses. It's okay, we don't. It's $14. It's not bad. Smell. You don't like it? Jasmine saffron. I'm hoping this smells really good. I'm getting this. And you don't smell the jasmine, but you smell the saffron. Tobacco? Hell no. What is this? Ocean lilies? Yes, babe. It smells like flowers. No? This is not ocean lilies. Get these two for sure. Is this all they have? Tropical sunset? Let's see what that's hitting for. Yes. Immediately. Immediately. It's so good. Look at the match, babe. Look at the match. You don't see
What
the
do you
match?
need a match for?
It's cute. I was just telling you to look at it. It's a bow. Fuck, I can't say the word. I can't find the word in my brain. It is a bow pillow. I don't need it though. It's cute. And there's some pillows for the bed. I think I might go get that candle that he ain't want me to get. Cause who he think he is? Oh my god, citrus. $3.99. This is so good, but it's gonna burn out really fast. Sand and paws. So good. I know. I feel like every time I have to go. Oh, the amber saffron. Yeah, I brought. I think I brought. I brought. It smells so good. If I can't have it, girl, somebody gotta get it. I got the jasmine saffron. Something about the saffron. Yeah, it's the one that the cologne that's the perfume that's really popular. The Baccarat Rouge 450. The saffron is what makes it so good. It smells good, right? Yeah, it does. It smells so good. I'm like, girl, if I can't get it, get it, girl. And I can't get it, girl. It does. I don't know what it is about the saffron, but it's such a good scent. If I can't get it, she better get it. She better get that shit.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, make it quiet when I. Wait, where you guys from, man?
I'm Jamaican.
Guyanese.
I know how we end up at the mall, but we at the mall. I need some underwear. I have not smelled this smell of the mall in so long. Right, quick stop to T-Mobile, no, Verizon, and then get some Chipotle, and then go home. Cause, oh no, we still gotta stop and get gas and car wash, and then go home. I'm over today. It's 5:20. It's 5:20. Babe, can I look? I just want to look. Oh, see, come here, come here. It's right here, babe. See, this is a perfect. Babe, I gotta come over here now. I gotta come the fuck over. These are all the perfumes that's going. I have that one. I have the red one. Babe, oh my God. Oh, I can't help myself right now. I need to come to the mall. No?
Mm-hmm.
You want to smell it? Let me ask him so he can smell it. Hello. Could I smell something back here?
You have to pay $1 each to smell them.
We gotta pay to smell?
With
That's crazy. We gotta pay $1 to smell her. He is selling them perfumes way too expensive and they are way cheaper online. So at least now I know what they smell like so I can purchase online. So I'm not coming back to buy it from him, but I will pay that $1 to smell it. I'm going to the beach, guys. It's 3:09. You think we gonna get there? Like, there's gonna be space.
I have no clue how Jones Beach is set up
What
for
beach do you normally go to?
Rockaway. But Jones Beach is also bigger, it's more space. Might not be right next to the water, but same thing, it's a man-made beach. It's not actually like. Turn around.
They got cute little pillow. Oh, I want one of these to sit my ass on.
Surprised you didn't bring your shades.
It's in the car. I should just ask.
Excellent. Maybe look.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, maybe you could ask. I'm just saying, I see beach stuff. This don't look like beach stuff? No? Or maybe not. Maybe I'm crazy.
They don't. They got $1 people. They only have normal cars.
I mean, Walmart isn't far.
Is it Walmart?
There's a Walmart over here.
Thank you. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm getting this pillow.
Okay.
I'll hold it. It's okay.
It's okay. Do what you doing.
Yeah.
Foreigner, if she let her fuck, make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue. She do them walks for us, make her one of us. I guess I'm dark skin, glowing. Off the perky, I'm rolling, screaming, I'm bulking. They like puppy while you stalking. Mama, I need that respect. 700 grams, ice up against pot smoke. Niggas doing them. Who's calling this shit? Who's calling this shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah. OVO sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Emily? Was it Danny? Is it Party T? Was the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, they don't order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Hey.
Is it Stacy?